Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make engaging Desi reels. First, start by selecting a trending audio track that truly captures the essence of Desi culture. Next, develop a clear and compelling concept or story for your reel. This planning stage is crucial for a cohesive final product. Finally, make sure to gather all your props and outfits in advance, ensuring a smooth filming process. This preparation saves time and enhances creativity. When you're ready to film, prioritize good lighting. Natural light often works best to create clear and vibrant visuals, making your reel pop. Focus on capturing short, dynamic clips. This keeps your audience engaged and prevents boredom. Don't be afraid to experiment with various angles and creative transitions. These elements add visual interest and make your Desi reel stand out from the crowd. Now, let's talk about editing. The key is to sync your video clips precisely with the beat of your chosen audio. This creates a professional and rhythmic flow. Consider adding text overlays or captions to enhance your storytelling, especially if you're conveying a message. Finally, apply subtle color grading to improve the overall visual appeal, giving your Desi reel a polished and captivating look. To maximize your reel's reach, use relevant hashtags that resonate with the Desi community. This helps new viewers discover your content. Actively engage with comments and share your reel on your stories to boost visibility and interaction. Remember, building a community around your content is vital. And speaking of discovering new stories, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep creating and connecting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.